Okay, paingos kaywa ngainge sirle tara painge. Misenge kadako lag inak fashi interview lan kay si candidate na ke FSM Congress at large. Shuberi interview sa inge pa kay si candidate in mo kayo nakarala pa shilos na sinmait ko siya na kaywa. Mitli kat fast na meda ngani spell sa inge kat siyak na tagay na siya fast na meda. Mas kuya and bro kat tagay bro. All them got flat lena kat nga sumgaw sin vakulo. Kula ke mulash, we got ke program singe, ka check ko yun na kayo ke mo it's fun na do so Jesus Christ kat bro. Amen. Kalau lagi nga akkalemye nga, kasi kat ako lagi din assured na ke interview la siya. Misenge kada interview singe nusel candidate Canney Palsis. The shock to metiget fast na meta. Ngayon introduce ye moderator last time singe. Moderator last time singe nga pa Miss Elina Fred. Kasi siya nga pa, Sir Elina Fred. Kat kalam gila, ilma devon siya, ilma finan pagkasuk, il graduate la kushay high school, na ilsum college is la Bachelor of Science degree lal, ke accounting, finan ke University of Hawaii, Hilo. Na ingin na dash finan Salt Lake City, Utah, ilrek ma as an accountant. Elina co-founder of United Micronesian Women non-profit organization si painge. Na ngayon usela moderator last time saying elen us program na nam saying inakfaship interview saying. Damdale Elina Fred painkom.
Painkom tamalay sirle.
Ngayon ang argument program na assume.
Painko was okay. Lumalap.
Lumalap.
Silpe painko maitlan gasin kol, mait kol lowos, tarila na malalap ke ingene ko wisi gas organization ye. Masimit ngulo kaksakin kat ke mo lash na kayawa. Inwi be fak kulo na sin candidate sa lash ma second na bebelal lanta ka orela faklal ke katoplal na ke kisinse marshara shingina nasil papa Canney Palsis kulo ke bello e pain ko was pemit nakaiwa ma die recording saying ashlo was ke processing ka mukoy sila lang may collaging arla na yakshipe na makulokin nanakwa wala was mak witakot pabalang ilisot na si was ko was in showing penake in long ma candidate sila siya ito ka akulain share na siya kibel saying na zoom candidate paba Canney Palsis hakulin ashloman in fact tarila na malalap ke kumise pellom inarela shamshamlom na sinmat ko siya na si was na kayo viewers civil pa akulin ko was welcome penake interview series saying candidate Palsis kizin siyak akos pa nga siyak suma pinsya ka pa siyak ingin ikas na sinmat ko siya ngitsilom na ke kalensap saying na ke siya silang FSM Congress at large inge nga usat pala na zoom kominara siyam-siyam inikas salong minitolulong
Kalgulamallap, moderator. Metliging arala sram todo ka rato plot nagiksin siya kagus magus ako lang si ngan address UK forum sila ngay nga ina na nangan akkalemye klo kaksaklak na sin kat ke karangin yakwo wala kat ne siya mataliye kasi over the years la kasin goal kenanak wolobos was chilala in sponsory platform siya insang opportunities lan candidates siya masukena ke special election siya ke slot siya ma fake it chin siya ma awil katan ke Congress nga ke diksen ya akkalemye la siya lobos ingayon wala program siya nar made available na sin candidates ngayon very very healthy. Luxury na kasha with large FSM Congress ingoing galam ge sibe mabanang kaisi candidates chilala ingoing sang elos na ge special election chinge. Ngamo opportunity siya luxury na usya na sin kaisi candidates ngayon appear in person, feel ourselves in citizens slash FSM Congress for one. Ilusin ito lang, may underwin kasi candidates panang aroilos run nage special election change. Ngatiya ikla nage may madagarala sramram na sin kasing goal ge about some lang share all the opportunities ma accorded na sin kasi candidates. Inge nga tiya is inloes sramram mo yan nga nalalfung mo kat kwewa insiago laktin dari so ang nage sipe ka purpose lan interview last misya nga banang nga dari accept yung opening statement nila ngayon and going fluot pelo kren gan fashion mit ke platform lasa nga kula na malap ke belo.
Kula malalap na Zoom, Canney Palsis, si candidate na ke siyalan FSM Congress at large, siya sa nga ilyak akos, pamatalan mo si Mashkel. Nagawas viewers ang gawas lang siyam ni kasalay Canney, ingin nakatasyoang na ke kisensya ka akos, pisesi na gawas lang ke interview stolo mareklatari ta shakta, kanon siya ka siena. Ke series meta kat loang na kat forang na ke general. Kisin siya na ke ngatlan candidates nga. Na round siya nga ingayan siya ka kapash na sinyok na mamatasayanan ko siya. Sipe sira kat focus na ke pa sini nagpisesh. Mas sayanin ko siya. Na katne matasaya tasak yok na naklash kiensish en mitlash matalawe en katsivebe na matalawe pange okan mola siya kapash la siya. Nara falila na isish katin kanasik ngan arasiyak hingi tolo esom anangataka yok na naki mukoy ka molan mit mamatasayanin ko siya. Naki 4 lalos. Nasiyak sa meta. Nga ako lang ang siyak. Canney Palsis. Siyak sa met pa fashot nga. Siyak ka pa. Lut fa kya. Makom affiliate in lutimit last time ko siya. Sa wolos in lotayla. In fall na kaya akwak lanan sa yama. Bitligilos mukulikian ko siya. Na inyusot nawe ka akate kata shishike kisiyak singe pa. Yok na naselos ma epelse metelos in mukuilalikian ko siya insom na saye yok na in Amerike. Lut fa kya makom niye ma ewo hindi ta kyang naselos. Metligelos mukuila. Nausot pela minito lulom.
Kalgulamallap ngafine sige ngan gan duty may plasma ako in somligian ko siya na siya in ko in ito lame fall ilus in aro mitligi ilus tifuklaligi angers no ki ensaye ngamo pakantin kanin programs kalutut magan regin gasho mitnan ilusin masumligi en ko siya ucha na gan sa siya madali ucha na wengan da idalito lame basic needs my ilusin ito ka master mitligi dal somligi ka now but pinaflogan la bella get TT time as in Belgium as programs ma the ala election informal director it was found college life yo na in students when met for in Belgium about students na ban ngara to di marit na sin dalik my exit ligian ko sa ke Belgium ba ilosin ita la me in na idalin lutoy la ga ita mitigidal tifuk daligian in mo ke Belgium dal chunen yan tana wang in future shock lon met ngan now ngalan gamo program ngan timay na in the fabric ke Belgium by I know na ke benapel and TT and ke pel and comeback relationship partnership in America the fin ars ko fin ne ars the srikacl lutima ulit na sin met ngan in ganitola me basic information mine that in equip kemet tigidal so ta theory amo tera patla sa naganure ni ingena in fact amo ingena el enana pinore now mega nore in going gaselus limit tigidal so amo lutu ngani na nore even before ngan shuang na geox okay laban ngaro kada may na ngani ron ba ina dalin edala metigidal exit ligian in our passport the travel documents na gawa in idalin made familiar na kaya metigidal exit na mayen katena kanin travel documents may missing in their immediate possession ila contribute ka nage ilyama ila ilose pala ki belche dale kuchak nage ansa singa ingin ang amo FSM for ya got mit kushay ba got fortunate la ingin nage for beyond kushay el nanala naban kailu naban ngaro kanin mga ina induti yak metligi nganin so to the point may na dalin dala damda kaya so kaya kaya medalin na dan ro yen ngo ge belche madal kucha karanga dal na ke oi yema dal din na dan patachan na ke most especially na ke crimes of kama naban ngaro final tu ngan kanore eke metligi dal exidan na egan garlos ke belche madale faru ngan ge belche dalim da ke new role madalim dawe sap pangan kada mama basic needs ma in ngan dalin equip ke metigi dal som expose na ke and sa jing dalin de patatan na ke el jayo e bangan to plug na ke sinjaksingan
Kulo na malala kalum toploman kasnamit na kipisin sa kakluo ngay el ange. Shwaship fa ka kum ako la nigesta ko mukuile ke inigesan ganit na sin may tlash ko siya sa matasaye ma yok na kinaline follow ko ewi tapagensish. Kofla na kishipin wayangun ka shikla opportunities. Siya ka pa som na kinawayat ma kumnit ma kumdi ma kume nsewo woin mukuilake. Munitolo utakot palong kisyak sange.
Kagulaman lap ngamo gat nagewa experience wangun may tinay mo tinayil ya si bangen kaditala there's a high percentage of Kushrayans ma sumligian Kushraya ke sripac educational work employment opportunities or even to participate ke armed forces for better life mising ngali mo technology ma available machine ngayon lipsin na Australia gan ma got chamada finan America ko elsewhere case been accessibility land in the US napana dalga in show ang nage internet ko nage technology in going to says what's available ego try of vice versa so la mega kanero e kushaya kian jirashfena Ngamo paya na benar programs ma urek ingain sang information mo na sin met plasma matasayan and gushay ilusin dala what's exactly happening is going on e gushay ma idalagain learn idalagain consider if whether they should come back about gushay for whatever expertise feel milos arske ka fin wangan kanin program inge ko siya mga tinalik sa aware the ngamo availability lan technology ilgain liksini na make this kind of information available na sin ngan na panangara fin kanin program nganil lorek na opportunities nganil available na panang ikon sang information na sin mamata siya Foya matake ore mama professionals ma ilos master ya ka coinero ta kikita sipe ilos kufline taga na kusha ke sipen kanin factors pagandin by contributed pa nage oyan aban ngara megat kanara ushe dali class ngan gamit class ngan infologo kasha workforce ngan kusha inena nakden improve ya say nama most compelling factor may na metkulas nga siya mga willing and government support pa nage job opportunities. Kaya nagding kilaga na mo din metkulas nga incompatible, not necessarily incompatible nage US standard in the compatible nage consistent nage lifestyle and kushay ka FSM. In mo siya metkulas ma ka in cash workforce and kushay in taka cash instill new knowledge ko management style in going the na finan ko siya ay cash ang workforce mo siya one month lang siya ka nagusaya ko siya kanin factors infrastructure la siya na poor employment opportunity el tina aggressive el tina that tina easily pursued ma war malanga in the cash got man dalfin follow kalit ka de tawag in a lifestyle my alana challenging na sila na banaro until and unless got upgrade kan in standard ma kat kan upgrade ya direct got in a seriously sige kin upgrade and now me bottleneck sila the class commit class lang in the select float na gian siya they got kind upgrade ya educational background, salaries, infrastructures. Kakadena kanin OEM and gusay lacks. Then and only then got can the return lan mit plasma kita ka dar takikita sipe one reason or another ilos prevented ilos in the go. Abanang we've got to do something in the direction my going channel out in the go. Ayon actually immigration go tivokdalan met plus ngiligian ko siya. But we were born and raised here. We should come back and promote our island style. Lomalap.
Kula na malalap kito ploman. Kising siya sita ko nga katesi pa follow-on man ke takalan met na saya. Takal diki ka fashligian ko siya. Nagat itala siye sipe na yok mamta paen lamit na saya pa ono sukyen kashalos ke masin manolalos na nake oye sengan siat na suma papakeni pa nawayak faka kome akien karangun siya mit mas sa somnigian ko siya na saya insuk kasha na ke ininalan na ipto luma kat na siya kumin tangalan siya pa niyan matalal do health insurance kamolien onolalan na tolo nawiyat nag-follow klalos lal emit mawilan na ko siya ngayon usot pela na so minitli mekos lom na kisiyak sila
Kagulamalap amongst the four questions ngaliya question aktolo siya nga mo sinsiya na wo siya sinsiya na uba siya kasi ben post-canon factors ma in put into consideration metligi items toluma sinjaga calls for nge ekain kashya korek finne LTS o yangan el som resolve yana phone na factors toluma sinjaga calls for nge gat finne fologon la lagi history lanan ko shai metligi way back in the past when health insurance ma government made available machine mit ko shai some years later our health insurance group shimada regular proposed in FSM national government in Ghana in Syria government employees kepelsho health insurance nge na exist ne kepelsho nge shema kusha state government il enroll baga il participate bagi program chingen although national health group shema kusha il participated kanganil have been existing for over the years. Now they not fully provide answer nage factors to nge nien mata ka health insurance ka nage for ma patients ma team necessary to be referred outside of Koshai. Now, although our crew belt insurance and state ka FSM eldena fully answer the real need for referral. Now, nabanangara mega the options ma kainore. Nalima chia mama ka answer in gain at least at tracy situation jing and pes nage factors tolungan ba fine national nakisinjakin kushai state for one nabay kain sponsory universal health insurance. What coverage ma covered under the universal chema my doshi was more expensive. Now this policy universal can only work in Kushai state government, the national government has the pocket to defray the cost. Now if that's the case, Fineka in a 40-year program jingan now pretty much everything is on part of the government, in sustain year. Otherwise, in golden opportunity, that will answer to the need for health insurance with after the referral. Now, when Finet terms universal, now mangan the phone resolve here, provided insured and that will comply with the terms of payment for all those factors. Now, although this form of insurance and akkalemye it may not be possible. Kat fin flogon labe kada practice lan and goshaya years back. Referral program chingin ang health insurance ngani provide kanin fuya dal kidali referring ngan dal sang anin matang health insurance ka cost ngani paid for the insurance almost 100%. Nigi flok la dalan to ingina kato conditions ngani dal taken out le tina cover ki health insurance. Abanaro el problematic once someone is being referred matulungan they automatically cover under the current health system unless and until our revisitation rate nage health insurance ingin for better improvement our difficulties and referral and buying going provided coalition given and in Madan health insurance and also follow dalan. Now Fine manganil direct ma ngama even with mam da shayan and goshayan and shema government government and going enroll ban insurance health insurance program and America be provided the provide nation with ma FA citizens but yen with that once they'll meet qualifications again that are going treated or given those benefits abanangara kat fine go flara then that service can be extended over and beyond chinmet plus ngan in kind at five chinmet plus ngan ben going enroll again insurance ma agaben provide the factors tolungen. Ona king akkalemye matolungen ka metin ga in our health insurance la inena si director giskin manaspel kat kufla forward director even if kat kufla forward that can still be extended over and beyond in gain shukla once maybe they should be available on the US ground in order for them to be covered. Otherwise with chow look into that issue in government factors ngan in my referral. Actually, if in a referral going actually kaya and infrastructures going improve in my reduce the number of referrals. Now, maybe we should bring our doctors who had only came in and worked for a while and decided to leave when money wouldn't do. Now, mangan pinarek la el capacity na ke discussion slash medala fina infrastructure ka salary ka our living standard is upgraded. Ngani ka benda ka sacrifice for the sake of kushay in the casual professional services ngan fin going fala sikya take into considerations factors ngan take into account and resolve na madulungan ito ko tila dictionary compelling. Lomala.
Kulo malala pay kalum toploman kulo ke komtakan na nasesh in long ke dielom ke na ke siyak sengay. Kat ako la in som na ke siyak ako siya sa flalash na siyak sengay ini nakatashola liki focus na ke na selos for na saye at a flot na ke kalines up ke siya sengalan 4-year Congress. Na siyak sengay pa kailan siyo ke metlom dinofos mese ma yokshipe na sumumet ma kumkia kiye sa ma esamya kumken simit ko siya ka fin na FSM no fon. Ausat pala na sum minitol.
Paglamal lap siye okay kinsiya ka el matawa ka sabi me da el din a call for 100 days. Director ingin na kisyo lensiwuk siya nga nilda ka pa point of interest apa nangarangaman tina ila siya nga kan silba articulate ila okay awa nga to book faga. Anyway for the first 100 days sabi tibe na 100 days it may be shorter matching nga kaya ralay me da bangan kain nga pinalaki woy siulangan ganda ka naklas siya singan nga ke ocean nation leadership finan ko siya ngan kan ocean nation metkol lanan ko siya ngan kan akkalemye sildal how compassionate or passionate I am ngan kan kaya met ko siya ka state of ko siya in kan na ma kat alala yung moment na gawan siya kaya ma tinggan fashion na mit kidin de fashion na do ama got fashion na do taba nga within the first 100 days ngayon ng ocean nation leadership aske akkalemye na siya losla kadin na nagtindo tagani communication lan met goal top down inga in luxury na aglen in ma got kaya shikosha kidin gain sramsram liela me and gushay enen na payin inga na kuye molan met gushay met plasha taba nga pangan message mai nangan shike carry out nashin met nagawain gan shikojokin tagani sramsram official dan Congress ngan in 27 may da in nan shikojokin nuke sramsram akkalemye in ma tia meche ka finne meche daga in ram ke oye sin na shilalina final result in for the people. Nabanangara number one objective la pangan gain open up open dialogue nation met goal share nation leadership la me and gusai in and bike then make them as priorities now got move forward. Now ngamo sinjaksi ma follow kail added nagangan ba mga ni rela footprint sila nagi pine undertake even for the next 4 years, and I further extended mo for life. Nga mo kato may kain rela in kalim mga samonyan may sikyak kakain sikyak fina urik fall nage ba leadership la inalana open inalana clear message nage mit kulara in gain well conveyed na met nagawa work toward that common goal. Wangan maguflawrik fine leadership last kushaya at the sramsram plan identify what kind of projects ma and kushaya in focus most with. Na panangaro with leadership na in a leadership met nagawa ma leadership ngayon in supporti agenda siya ka agendas man kushaya lang siya in atresia. Na panangaro leadership ilala yok siya. If in a like dinner projects or what have you, in a might going on in beyond the same page, na supportive staff in and understand la may goals and objectives ngan that I'll work toward that goal. Everybody should be passionate about those priorities. Now, in a the old system in the functional, in a from top to bottom, in the ritma to reach that common goal. At the fact mo na phone na mga ni reply, pe stumbling block may stand in the way. The fine ars projects magufla reply na sipe mabanang gawin reply and contributed pa na ke the inchese ka the kalim don part of the system in akfashi the entire system in Oritma. Now, fin mangan sikyak, then some corrective actions needed to be done. In Gonayakla, okay, pange finchaga, tina sikyak na what happened? Pinawangan support loan made ma work under the leadership, then that needs to be addressed. In addressed yakin ma the entire system is functional. Now, pina fail, that's not the end of it. Kumena gun troubleshooting why there was this problem, and then move on with the project. A leader must lead. A leader should not fail. So even if come fail, kumena gun tuyak silba work toward that goal or those goals. Now I share life experience like Ritma finan kushai the whole time. As my government my footprint lang nag-ibel fashion. One, now serve and do looking modin Ritma finan kushai. Nga porn race year. First organization mga kalansabo kay katabel sumlaba parental special network on parents with kids with disabilities. In Belgium, may ma-artalit nada, ma-checkin yaktalit ngan. When that there was a negative, fuel on may the Fintalik Civica, East Wested, it deserve no attention whatsoever. First organization mga wiya ba, siya on Talik Sagabas. I served capacity singan for 20 years. Attitude chill on public Talik Sagabas ma, what happened after we had gone through efforts of improving the organization? Parents can the most machine we using and mentally result ma in organization and parents studied ma and were able to travel beyond Goshai when we were strong advocates for disabilities. Upon the population was pretty low. Later on, it grew, to a high number. That organization is still existing. I left that program, for quite a while now. Chia program nga footsteps silang we association and in fact mo pagka leadership law king aus program singa. It was a looked down upon program. Now everybody is proud to be a part of that organization. Second, Kushai Terminal and Stevedoring Company is a private corporation and is the richest private corporation in the state of Kushai. Litliging out of the port lang siya nga person organization for over 20 years. program and organization at no purchasing power or lack of money. With the leadership of the board of directors, in which I am or have been the president for over 20 years now, we started from scratch, and now we are able to do just about anything we wanted. Our purchasing power is just, it's just great. We can buy anything that money can buy. It's a successful private corporation, and I'm proud of that. And I'm absolutely sure that the shareholders are even more proud. Kung dahil gawin proving do that, I'm gonna apply yung mga stuff. Finally, I've been working with the Micronesian Legal Services for over 38 years as we are speaking. Now, 38 years is a long time. It's almost my lifetime. So I'm with that organization being under my supervision, and we're pretty responsive to the legal needs of the people. If I had spent 38 years, I think I had contributed a lot to that organization and mostly to the people of Koshai. Fin leadership like the organization studungan and stand out. I think I can do the same work for Congress to be a standout. My representation will be one of a standout representation to Congress. Pangan footprint, the legacy siya mga kifliya ke interview sila. Ngayon, when now, I can share one last word since he a former statesman on FSM, the late Moses, Ratio Moses, while he was the governor of Ponte, one of our trainings, akkalemye, every time when a bill came before him to sign, is the first thing that always came to his mind is what loopholes that MLAC will find my signing of the law to be invalid or unconstitutional. So be constitutional in every aspect of your lifetime. Thank you very much.
Hello, nakula malalap kita man. Nalalakulog nga isa kishipin. It makes an impact gosh comment back man. Candidate Baba Canney Palsis. Wangay sa flaying kisin siyak ma katakula na sum kibelsenye. Inge ngausot pela na sum komin arasham shaming kali alone ke interview sengay. Payayam niklime ko siya utal katanga kanaisla na ke toplom kikisin siya kaya koshmita. Ara munitolo ngausot lom na ke kali alone. Pela malo.
Kaya malab nga mo closing statement lagay wangan ba ng mga silbab. Other than nga kinalik siya ni fact kulo malalap na singasing goal ke tisa sin lowest goal singan or platform siya nga dik siya ni mayo na pa si pa mayen may tayo na in long ka credit ka na lip service ngati lip service nga adamantly admit I'm willing and I'm happy to help or serve Koshai under this capacity. Nga pinrak mo may tayo long ilo sinara tisa sin lagdalo tiya girspin katkawak siya darakta food lan gasya in the ke principle issues malgan lawon kanin elements ma tiya lalip ni pushi objective lan election asin ba fact awla siya ulak matkawak mat Koshai lagum saborya ke food siya ayun na ngan proof ko uisi naging mga samangan. So just give me that small chance and then I'll prove myself. Tarla na malap, kulaw malap, na si was kaywa.
Kulaw malalap, pangan shamshaming kaliya lom, katlong gas lom, na mitigi kat kaliya interview sa ngayon. Ngay silpe, akon yalapan, kulaw lash na sum, Baba Canney Palsis, ke komshela pellom use pelsa oplanalom inikesa na sishmet Koshai in wieta ke ngitngitlom na keshikelom na kesiasilan FSM Congress at large. Good luck na sum ke campaign loman na nakifutsima sa mga painge interview katakula na sum na follow na sin host lasha kamulan sirle in Arakalia Lankasingol. Kamala Sirle, follow up na siya.
Gal, moderator, Elina Fred, kulomalab, oyebe, Canney Palsis. Kulomalab ke pelsin kat case pelsin in fact kulomalab na shoes ko viewers on in fact kulala kat soon kapin program la siya. Canney Palsis kulo ke pelum kum laylain tapok lang ngostila siya. Ala yok mga lutay la pa ng kat ke kalbin in fact kulo na soon. Oyebe na soon moderator kulo ke kum tafagat na ke interview siya nga. Akay kum gimamash kya. Na naging afak nga katsun kapin program la siya kat nagawag ke proye inikesa ta kaniya ifala na kaden kaliyebe ke siya proye. Nanap na suya katagani proye kaliye. Olem got flat na. Yokla long sila. Kung may long na siya. Mas paingin may siya plus kibel siya nga parang kan proye siya maingin. It's fun natin sa Jesus Christ. Amen.